If you want to know the truth on why your fragrances aren't lasting, it's because you're doing one of three of these things. One, you're not spraying it heavy enough. 1 to 2 sprays won't do it. You have to spray it like you mean it. Come on. Put it on. Number 2, you're not hydrating or moisturizing. You're just putting it on dry, dull, rough skin. There's no way a fragrance is going to adhere itself to your skin and project and give off. So if you want your fragrances to last, ensure you start with some soap and water now. I just gotta say it. Make sure you hydrate, moisturize, a body cream, a body oil, a shea butter, something of the sort. Give the body some moisturization. Okay, or number 3, you're not applying it in the proper places. Fragrances do have certain places that you can apply them to that are going to help your body to warm up, and when it does, it is going to give off the scent of the fragrance. So you want to apply it in your pulse points. You can look that up on Google. I'll share a few with you. You want to put it behind the ear, behind the neck, behind the kneecap, down by the ankles. That's just a few. I will also say this. Anytime that you wear a fragrance, ensure that you spray it on your clothes. They smell you when you enter, and they definitely smell you once you've gone. Make sure, however, that your clothes aren't of a silk fabric or something of the sort. If it's cotton or a blouse like I have on today, go ahead and spray your fragrance on. Make sure you subscribe for more. Bye.